Vehicles are evolving faster than ever, and we know keeping pace isn't easy. Did you know that 93% of new vehicles in the US are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems? ADAS features help keep drivers safe, but they've added a new layer of complexity to vehicle repair that simply didn't exist before. After a collision, identifying which calibrations are required can be tricky, and if missed, it can result in incomplete or unsafe repairs. That's where adasThink, the industry's most advanced ADAS identification system, comes in. With just a few clicks, adasThink analyzes the vehicle build sheet, damage estimate, and diagnostic scan data, then maps it against OEM repair procedures, down to the trim code level. In seconds, you'll see exactly what calibrations are required, what tools are needed, and what safety precautions to follow. And now we've taken it one step further. adasThink is the first-to-market product in the industry to integrate directly with CCC's diagnostic workflow and calibration guidelines, making it even easier to add recommended services straight into your estimate, automatically. No manual workarounds, no missed operations. This isn't just a list of what to do, it's the why behind it. Every recommendation is backed by the OEM documentation that justifies the calibration. This level of detail not only supports safe and complete repairs, but it also provides the reimbursement justification your team needs when working with insurers. On your screen, you'll see the Connect UI, a sample report, and how recommendations are linked to estimate line items, including direct links to OEM procedures and all data. Whether you're working in CCC or Mitchell, adasThink fits right into your workflow, getting you everything you need to perform proper, billable, and safe repairs with confidence. Vehicles are changing. With asTech, keeping pace has never been easier.